So now we are launching phase 2, which is on the east side.
Okay.
So these two buildings.
Yep.
One is, closer on Highway 7, and the other one is closer to Interchange Way.
Right.
Okay, 4 buildings are interconnected with a beautiful pedestrian sky.
Hello, everyone. Timothy Swift here, LePage Infinity and Swiftsells.ca. I'm very excited to share with you the Grand Festival. It's now selling VIP access for the new downtown Vaughan. This is an amazing building. There are 4 in the complex. 2 have been sold previously. The Grand Festival is now on the market. It's called Grand because it truly is. There are direct connections from the units to the 70,000 square foot amenity space, as well as the main level, 35,000 square foot grocery store. Grand is an understatement for this new complex, scheduled for completion in 2025. Direct walking distance to the Vaughan TTC. Parking and locker are available. It's the new master planned downtown Vaughan. Don't miss out. Make your reservations today. I'll be glad to help. You can call me at 647-898-7490. Again, Timothy Swift, and it's the Grand Festival in downtown Vaughan.